So I'm going to try doing this on Caitlin's cloud machines. So I want to infect my Windows machine. First, I'm going to check and make sure Defender is turned off. So let's go to Defender. And Windows Security Settings. Windows Defender Settings. Virus and Threat Protection, I guess. Okay. Microsoft keeps moving everything around. Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Manage Settings. Real-time protection is on. There are no exclusions. All right. So let's see, tamper protection is off. All right, let's put on an exclusion. Oh, C is already excluded. Good. Okay, so this machine, Windows Defender, is already not going to do anything to stop us. That's good. So now I'll install the PUP. Open up a browser. Okay, and get the URL, which I probably can't copy and paste in, so I'm going to have to first open my web page in here. Okay, so let me make this window bigger. All right, so let's get the instructions here, which is there, and this is 372, investigating a PUP, and there's the file. And I don't know if it's downloading it or what. Ah, it is downloading it. Good. So hit OK. And it downloads it. Okay. Unzip it. With the password malware. And there it is. All right. And now you have to run PUP4 as administrator and move the other file to C. So run PUP4 as administrator. And now put that on the root of C. All right, now you delete all this. All right. Empty the recycle bin. And now restart the machine. All right. Looks like it's moving pretty well so far. All right. Oh, neat. I thought it would disconnect when it rebooted, but it doesn't. That's nice. Oh, much better than my machine that was lagging so badly. Much better. Okay, good. I think it even automatically logs in, which is nice. Now, I think it's not really up. Yep. Now it asks you, can't verify it, you have to say run. And now you see this message. Okay, so now this machine is good and infected. Let's look at the Linux machine, which is here. All right. I need to install Velociraptor. So I'll just execute. Oh, I got to open this stuff inside this machine. So there ought to be a browser somewhere. Web browser, okay. All right. And here. And here. All right. All right. Start with that much. And Alt Tab. Nope. Okay, need a terminal. Applications. Terminal. All right. Paste. There we go. Okay, good. All right, and I'd make this smaller if I could figure out how. There, okay, good. That's something. Oh, down here, that's why. Good. All right. Now, I shmode and I make the config. Okay. You know, I find the IP address.
Oh, and Sam, show exactly where the IP address is.
Here.
Like highlighted, yeah.
Yeah, that one. This one's loopback, that's the real one. Yeah, it gets a little confusing, doesn't it? 192.168.0.179. In fact, I'll just copy it now. All right. In fact, I can probably make this bigger. Anyway, maybe I can't. Control plus, it might not know. All right. So now nano. All right. Oh, nope. I got a nano velociraptor dot config.yaml. There we are. So I have to replace 127.0.0.1 with that. Nope. Paste doesn't seem to work. Shift Control P maybe? There, okay. And then yes, yes, yes. And now Control WR, replace localhost with this. Yes, yes. There. That's done it. All 5 things replaced. Now, move this and create the administrator. Okay. All right. And now start the front end. And there it goes. And now I can access it. GUI is here. If I click that, that should open it in the browser, right? Double click it? Maybe not. Right click, copy. Good. Now I have to allow it. Now it's admin and my password. All right. Now I need to make the client, which is there. It's here. First, I need to add this line to the configuration file. Okay. And it's right after the nonce. I have to add some line here. This one. All right. And now okay. All right. So now I have my Windows client, Velociraptor, and it's running on this address, 0179. So I can get it in Windows with WinSCP. If I can find my Windows machine. All right. And this might already have WinSCP. I think it probably doesn't. Let's see, WinSCP. It does. No, I got to download it. All right. Let's download it here, I guess. Bing. Okay.
So Sam, the trap for new players here is that the login creds for the Linux machine is student and student.1337.
Yeah, that's right. And the instructions say something else? Oh, they say Debian.
No, it's different than the Proxmox login.
Right. Oh. I thought it was, instead of student 11, I see, right. And now they try to trick you into downloading malware. Where's the actual real download? This one. Okay, good.
So Sam, why don't I, instead of downloading directly from there, go back to the desktop on the Windows machine.
If I can find the button. Okay, there it is.
Go back to the desktop and you'll find a link to the chocolate GUI.
Yuck.
Which will automatically download and install WinSCP for you on the desktop under Microsoft Edge.
Oh, wow. Okay, Chocolatey is a Microsoft product?
No, it's not.
So, all right. Well, anyway,
push yes, and then it can automatically download and run WinSCP.
So this is like the App Store, but you have to open it in Edge. So right click.
No, you don't open it in Edge. You just double click on the.
Double click on this. Okay. Okay, I've never used this. I've heard of it. Now I search for WinSCP, I guess. This might be better than using their worthless website that tries to trick you into installing malware. I press enter, nothing happens. Nope, I guess not. Maybe I got to use capitals. Nope.
Oh, I guess it's not in there for some reason. Not SCP?
I don't know. Nope. Well.
Oh, well, that's right. Sorry about that.
That's all right. It's an interesting idea. Anyway, so now I think I've got something downloaded here. There, I've got it for what it's worth. All right, now I need that IP address. 192.168. I can't copy 192.168.0.179. student. All right, and that thing I'm looking for is in the Velociraptor folder, and it's the repackaged thing, and putting that on the desktop would be fine. That's right, download this thing. Okay, and I don't know what that is or care. Okay, now I need an administrator command prompt. And I need the letters bigger. Okay, now CD. All right, it's not there. All right, maybe there's another user called student.
There is not. Are you sure it's on the desktop?
Well, I thought I downloaded something to the desktop. There it is. Okay, it's there. The repackaged thing is on the desktop. Maybe I just couldn't see it. Well, there it is. It's just I was looking for Velociraptor. I wasn't looking for repackaged. There it is. And now it's not listening to me because I'm not in the right place. Student. All right. No. Desktop. There. Okay, so it's repackaged Velociraptor service install. All right. Anyway, that was a bit of a long slog to get back to where I'd like to start from, which was using Velociraptor on this infected machine. So here's my Velociraptor. I show all, and now my client machine is connected. So I can now harvest things from it. And where I left off when my other machine froze up on me was trying to harvest memory from this thing. So that was process memory. I think it was process memory that hung up on me. Let me go back to my instructions. If I can figure out how to get out of this thing. All right. 371. We've done this. 372. Yeah, it was Yara. Yeah, Yara is what was taking forever. Okay. And my claim was that Yara should not really take forever. So let's see if it takes forever on these cloud machines that are not all lagged up like my desktop machine here. So, Windows detection Yara NTFS. Got to find the thing. There. Windows detection Yara NTFS. Okay. And this is the one that will let me use a shorthand like wide colon pwned. So I can go here and I can tell it to look for exe files. And I can give it a shortcut wide colon pwned. All right. And that's, oops. I'm trying to hit Control A to select all and it's going crazy on me. All right. Then launch. All right. This is what was taking like more than 200 or 300 seconds on my local machine. And that did not seem right. I'd make this big. Is that, if I can find the right button? There we are. All right. So it's going. 30 seconds. Get rid of this one, not using it anymore. 60, all right. I finally found something at 100 seconds. I don't, and it's not done yet. It's hunting. I think it's not going to find any more, but this is the whole point. This is an important step where you try to find out if there's more malware on the box once you have an indicator of compromise, like that word pwned. And now it's done after 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So now I can see the results. And the results are just that one file in the root of C is the only file in the box that has the word pwned in it. So now you can try to remediate it. Now that we've found out how to do it, there's 3 things you have to do. You have to kill the running process that's making the message appear. You have to delete the registry key that's making it restart, and you have to delete the file, the executable. And there is a command shell available in Velociraptor to let you execute commands, but it doesn't seem to work very well. And when I read the documentation, they said it would not be available from the GUI at all. It seems to have strange limitations. So when I tried to do those 3 operations, only one of them worked. The other 2 did not work. So for the moment, you have to do remediation directly on the box. But I'm sure there's some good way to do it from Velociraptor that I just haven't figured out yet. Anyway, that's this one, where you get to practice a simple investigation and remediation. I'm going to stop this one.